Well, it's been a little bit since we've given you a house update because there really hasn't been a lot to update you on. But today we are getting ready to put in our new kitchen cabinets this weekend. So we're gonna start doing the prep. So I'm gonna take you around, show you what we've done so far, where we're sitting and what everything is looking like. This is very much the lived in look because, well, we live here. So this is where we're at today. This area is gonna come out. We've got to take off all of the cabinet doors and hardware, clean all the cabinets, empty them, tape them off, get them ready to be sprayed. What?
And also sand them all. They all have to be sanded. Scuffed, still painted here.
What are we showing?
What we're going to be doing?
Yeah.
Recap. Patching, finishing, mud work. A couple more things doing here, not much.
So what do you have left to do in this room? Let's take them in there because we haven't really shared much of this. Now this is what this was the porch. Okay, strip. Do you guys remember? This was outside. There was a door here. There was a wall here. This is where our kitchen ended, and now.
So now cabinets are this is going to continue all the way down and across this corner. Uppers will split this window, stop in this corner, then this will be all countertop all the way through here.
And then here
were the existing cabinets that were around the fridge.
They were around the fridge.
A little beverage fridge, another 3 or 4 drawer cabinet with a countertop, and
then probably some sort of shelving there. I'm thinking maybe for like cookbooks.
Something like that.
Yeah, Mike likes his cookbooks.
Well, I do.
I know you do. Yeah. So then this will just essentially be an extension of the kitchen, and then this area will be our new coffee bar area here. So you want to tell them what we're going to do over there?
So this will be 2 panels on the fridge.
So the fridge will look more built in.
It'll be
built in.
Cabinet that fills in this lower part, and then new countertop, some sort of a tile. We're going to do a tile wall back here. Then build some sort of an archway around that opening for the coffee bar.
With open shelving. I have a vision. He's going to make it come to life.
You always have a vision.
I know. So where are we going to start in here? Boss?
I'm going to start by taping.
You're going to finish taping.
You can start by pulling off all the hardware, taking doors off, cleaning.
I get to do the cleaning. And you guys, do you ever pay attention how dirty your kitchen cabinets get? I mean, really?
It's gross.
It's gross. I mean, if we go in real close, I mean, we're not filthy people. We clean all the time. But yeah, I'm gonna have to scrub these with the toothbrush, huh?
Yeah, don't show them the inside of the garbage cabinet.
No, I won't.
Yuck.
I won't.
You should clean that like every week.
Yes, you should. All right. So island, what are we doing with the island? Anything different here?
Island is not going to be much different besides we're going to paint it.
We're going to paint it.
The countertop is going to extend a little bit beyond on both sides. It's going to be a little bit wider.
So it's going to be a little bigger, but not
a whole lot.
Not a whole lot.
Yeah.
All right. So that's where we're at. We're going to start this project, and hopefully I have something exciting to share with you.
Monday?
When we're all done.
Tuesday? Wednesday? I don't know when.
Okay.
You just take that off there. To that point, then just fix that.
You look like you're deep in thought.
I am deep in thought. Hello. here on this.
Here's where we're sitting right now. This is, you know, about a week after Mike painted the cabinets. So our existing cabinets, the hardware should be here today so we can get that put on. But the color is lovely. I don't know the color name because it was just the cabinet color that I picked out. It wasn't like I bought a can of paint. You know what I mean? Like we had our paint for our existing cabinets color matched to the paint of the new cabinets. And the color match, after some trial and error, it did come out pretty good. So here's where we're sitting. It's just so pretty. We have a lot left to do. We have to finish getting the cabinets all installed by the 18th because that's when they come out to measure for the new countertops. Let me just show you a little bit more here. And once the microwave came out, I just said, guess what? I don't want to put it back in. And neither did Mike. So we are going to do a proper hood vent here. We're going to buy the fan in the vent and it can vent right outside, which will be great. And then he is going to build some sort of wood hood to go around it and paint it the same color. And then this is as far as he's gotten as far as installing the cabinets. So these two are in. We've got a few left to do in the lowers, and then we're going to have uppers here, there. And then these are existing cabinets that these were around the fridge. We've got to finish putting some doors on, as you can see. This is going to go here. Actually, I think I want it on that side because we're going to also put in a beverage fridge. And then we are going to build a spot here for the microwave instead. So that's the plan. And our plans have been changing all along as we've been going, but we knew that. And we both said we are open to however this unfolds, which I really kind of love that. There's, been no real pressure to make things fit into a certain box or a certain way. We're both super flexible and we both know what we want and we're on the same page. And as soon as he popped that microwave out of there, I knew. It's like, nope, we're not putting that big thing back there. Look at it. I mean, it's a monster. And also over here, so obviously the upper hasn't been put back on the wall yet. There's going to be two uppers here instead of just the one, and then there'll be a lower right there as well. They're all kind of piled up right here. There's still some in the garage as well, but this is what we're looking like. You can finally see the actual color that we landed on. I mean, it's definitely a shade of green, but if I had to describe it, I say it's like a greenish gray almost. It's not a bright green. I don't feel like this is a shade that is going to, and I don't care about trends. I truly don't. I don't think this is a shade that I'm going to tire of quickly. So what we have left, once the cabinets are in, they come out, they're going to measure for countertops. The countertops have to be installed before we can start doing any of the tile work. So that will be essentially last. So now we can paint the walls. And yeah, then we're at another, just a sit and wait type of situation. This wall, he has finished all the mud work that he needed to do. I believe it is ready for paint. I don't know if it's ready for paint quite yet, but yeah, this will be the coffee bar area, which I'm very excited about. I think this is going to be my favorite area in the kitchen. It's all going to be my favorite. What am I saying? But I do love, what I love about this coffee bar area is when you walk in from our front door, like this is how you walk into my house. Like, boom, that will be like a very nice focal point. Oh, I ordered all new lights too. Got lighting coming from Wayfair. Those should be here Thursday. Getting rid of this dark color. We've never really loved these lights. The challenge is how high up they have to hang. So that's going to be fun in hanging the new lights. Mike's going to have to do some work. The electrician's going to have to come back. But yeah, this is where we're sitting.